Hi there, welcome back to my channel. This is Densyo Dsenyo again. For today, I will show you how I install a laminated countertop. Please watch this. Before buying or ordering a countertops, here are the few things to check. First, measure the length and width of the countertop. Plan on a piece of paper. And then, check the level and finish the affected wall. If you are not sure of doing this, just call Densyo Dsenyo and we will do it for you. After that, go to the nearest countertop supplier. And after a few days, pick up your countertops. If your countertop is ready, your kitchen cabinet is ready, next is prepare your tools. These are the tools that you may need: the gun, the sealant, the cutter, the construction rod, impact driver, and drill, measuring tape, pencil, slip joint pliers, number 8 screws, clip connector, miter joint connector, and the gloves and safety glass. First, lay the countertop with miter upside down. Put the clip connector 1, 2, and 3. Apply the recommended adhesive at the miter. And make sure you don't put too much. In case like this, clean the excess adhesive. Then, connect the two parts or the miter parts of the countertop. Do it slowly, carefully, and firmly. After that, put the miter connector. The miter connector is included already when you order or buy a countertop. You may always ask the supplier about it. Tight the miter connector by using tools that you're comfortable with. In this case, I'll use a slip joint plier. Flip the counter over to clean the front face of the countertop and make sure there are no excess sealant on it. Then, carefully install the first part of the countertop. Followed by the tops with a miter. Check the seam of the miter and make sure it's even and clean up the excess adhesive. It's smart to pre-drill first before screwing. It may help you to make your job easy. Next, screw the countertops to the bracket and use number 8 screw. Remember, use short screw. After installing the countertop, next is the kitchen sink. Some sinks comes with a template. This one don't have. That's why, for this point, I will use a painter's tape as my guide and also protection for the counter. Make sure your cutout is smaller than the sink, for about a quarter to half of an inch. Drill starter hole at the corner and cut out the piece and make sure not to fall. It may cause damage on your counter. At this point, you're ready for the sink. Watch out for my next video on how to install kitchen sink and how to install kitchen faucet. That's it. For more DIY tips, visit Densyo YouTube channel. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. God bless everyone.